What's going on, everybody? Welcome to snowy Delaware. Check it out. We're getting some snow here today. Supposed to get, I don't know, they're all over the place with their estimates. We're getting 12 inches, we're getting 16 inches, we're getting whatever. So working on this car is not going to happen this weekend because I don't have a garage. I don't have that luxury, so it's just going to have to wait. Cam seals are leaking pretty bad. I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but that's what's going on. I believe I was able to fix my power steering leak with the Permatex Super Gray. I just removed all the O-ring stuff. I was told, don't even bother with it because the leak's just going to come back. Go ahead and Permatex Super Gray. It seems to have taken care of it, but I haven't had a whole lot of driving time because my cam seals decided to go pretty bad. I mean, when I say pretty bad, I mean really bad. It's putting oil on the ground. And like I said, I just backed this car out to park it, turn it around, and then put it back, and it's already putting oil on the ground. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. I have the cam seals from when I had the motor out originally. I was going to do them, but the timing belt looked new, so I was like, oh yeah, they definitely did the cam seals, because why wouldn't you do your cam seals if you're going to have it all part anyway? You know, you just got to take the wheels off. The little wagon wheels are pretty easy to get off, I thought. No, the cam seals are leaking. They were never done. Anyway, my whole point in recording this video is just to show you where I'm at on it. So, oil on the ground. Yeah, see, things are starting to get wet under here from the oil being all over everything. Kind of hard to tell on camera, but if you're here in person, you can definitely see that there is quite a bit of oil, at least on the main parts here, and definitely on the eBay header here. Yeah, that's fun. There you go. She's out of focus. But yeah, if you look right here at the timing cover, quite a bit of oil. That certainly tells you the story. What's going on up there? Look at that. Oh yeah, cam seals are definitely the issue. Will be my guess anyway. That much oil coming out of the front of the motor, definitely. Or at least the most common. Anyway, just figured I'd let you all know what's going on here. It's been a little while since I've been able to really do anything with the car. I got the wheels on it. That was pretty much the last thing I did. Brakes are away right now, getting powder coated over at Function D in Union City. Or I don't know if, no, actually, you know what? I think he's in Yonkers, New York. Union City is Broken Motorsports. That's where I got my wheels. So, yeah, go give all those guys a like and a follow on their Instagrams. Broken Motorsports, Bleeding Tarmac, and Function Designs. Yeah, go give them follows and likes and all those. They're all great people. Anyway, thanks for checking out my pile again. Thanks for following along. I hope to get something done up here with this car. Who knows when? We'll see. Every time I try to do something with this car, I get crazy weather or yeah. This Optima battery has been fantastic while the car sits. Let me tell you something. The car sits forever and ever and ever, you know, because this breaks or that breaks, and then, you know, it just works, fires right back up. And yeah, if you watch my old suspension video, I'm still very, very happy with the KYB AGX and the iBox springs. It still is amazing, especially with the new tires. The new tires made a huge difference. But yeah, thanks for checking out my video and hanging out. And if y'all have any questions, give me a shout in the comments. Thanks.